Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the other features that come with staging. So let's go ahead and get started. So starting off, we're going to want to make sure we're in the staging section of our Livingston Hotels and Resorts. Once you confirm that, we're going to head over to the options button here on the right-hand side and then select Site Pages Variation. From here, let's go ahead and click on Add Site Pages Variation. And then we're going to give this a name. We'll call it Holiday Season Variation. Once you do, we'll then click on the drop down and we're going to select the main variation. And then from here, let's click Add. Once you have that all taken care of, we can go ahead and exit out and close the pop-up. From here, let's head over to the menu on the left-hand side. We'll go to the Content and Data section, followed by Web Content. Here under Web Content, we'll now head over to Structures. We're going to click on the plus button here at the top right. For the name of the structure, we're going to call it Hotel Banner. We're now going to select the Source tab, and to make things easier, we'll go ahead and head over to our exercises, and we're going to open up this JSON file. We'll then copy the contents of the JSON file and then add it to the source. So you can highlight everything here, replacing the default code with what we pasted. So this is another way in which we're able to create structures, right, very simply, very easily. Let's go ahead and click on the Save button here at the top right. With structures comes templates, so let's go ahead and click on Templates. Clicking on the plus button here at the top right, and then for the name, we'll call it Hotel Banner Template. For the structure, we're going to be selecting the hotel structure, right? They always go together. So the hotel banner, and then we're going to bring in the free marker template for the hotel banner template. So clicking on the Browse button, we'll head into our exercises, selecting the free marker template, and then we'll click Save. Now that we have a structure and a template that accompanies it, let's go ahead and create some web content using that structure and template. Let's head over to the web content section here, and then from web content, we'll click on the plus button at the top right. We'll then select the hotel banner structure. For the title here at the top, we'll call it Livingston Holiday Banner. For the hotel name, we'll call it Livingston Hotels and Resorts. For the lead text, we'll say Spend the Holidays in Paradise. And then for the image, we'll click Select File, and then we're going to bring in the Livingston Seasonal Banner. We'll bring that in, click Add, and then let's go ahead and click Publish. One thing I need to double check just to be sure is under the default template, we want to make sure Hotel Banner Template is selected. So just to double check there really quick. So we're going to head over to our site. We'll click on Go to Site. For the site variation, right now we're under Holiday. It should be Holiday Season Variation. We'll click on the News and Specials navigation. We'll click on the plus button up at the top right. And then under the content section, we have the Livingston Holiday Banner. And then we'll go ahead and drag that at the top of the page. We'll go into the Holiday Banner, selecting the option button that corresponds with it, and then selecting Look and Feel Configuration. As we've done previously, we want to change the border to bare bone, and then we'll click Save. We'll go ahead and exit out, and let's go ahead and publish this. So we'll click on the slider to get ready for publication, and then we'll click Publish to Live. From here, we'll go into the advanced publication. This is where we find a lot of the, advanced options, right? We'll give this publication a name. We'll call it Holiday Site. We'll schedule it. And then for us, we'll choose November 1st. November 1st is right around the corner, so you feel free to choose a date that's further up for you. And then we'll say end by, we'll go January 1st. So if it's still 2019 for you, you can feel free to use these dates. If it's a later year, right, you can use the 2020 dates. Right? If you want to adjust the time, you can feel free to do that as well. Maybe like midnight, for example, from midnight to midnight is an option. Again, up to you. And then we can repeat this every year. And then day of the month, we can say the 1st of November, and then we can do this every year if we wanted to. It's up to us. I'll go ahead and click on Add Event. So very good. We've added an auto publication, so that way when the holiday seasons come, we'll have a new site available for the holiday seasons. That wraps it up for this video, and I will see you in the next video.